In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deactivated Facebook account in 2025 with a step-by-step guide. So let's dive right in and get your Facebook account back up and running. First things first, you'll want to open Facebook. You can do this by visiting facebook.com in your web browser or by simply launching the Facebook app on your mobile device. Both options will take you to the Facebook login page, and from here, we'll move on to the next step. Now, at this login page, you're going to need to enter your credentials. This means typing in the email address or phone number you used to sign up for Facebook. Alongside your password, once you've entered these details, go ahead and click on the Login button. It's important to double check your credentials for any typos or errors before clicking the button to ensure a smooth process. Here's some good news. If your Facebook account was deactivated, either by you or inadvertently, logging in with your correct credentials should automatically reactivate your account. There's no need to go through any additional steps or complicated procedures. This is because Facebook's system is designed to recognize you as the rightful owner of the account and therefore reactivates the account without further ado. As you log in, you'll notice that all your friends, posts, and pages have returned just as they were before you deactivated your account. This seamless transition makes the whole process incredibly convenient and efficient. However, keep in mind that under some circumstances, Facebook might prompt you for a security confirmation. This can occasionally happen if their system detects unusual activity or if you are logging in from a new device or location. If so, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete any necessary security steps. Although these steps are straightforward, let me quickly recap. Just head over to facebook.com or open the Facebook app, enter your email or phone number and password, and hit log in. If everything goes smoothly, your account should be reactivated instantaneously. It's really as simple as that. If you're facing any unexpected issues during this process, it could be due to a change in Facebook's policies or other security issues with your account, and you might need to